Hello singers, I'm Megan Nixon here from MusicalU.com, and today I'm going to teach you the first steps to becoming a fluent improviser. The first steps to improvisation are being able to hear and sing the chord tones in each chord. I've got an exercise for you that you can practice in all 12 keys that goes over all 5 types of 7th chords in solfege. This is really going to help you hear through these chords and become a better improviser. C, E, G, B. We're going to sing this on solfege. Do, mi, so, ti. Here we go. Do, mi, so, ti, so, mi, do. Now we're going to take the information that we just learned and apply it to the context of an actual song, or in this case, a chord progression that happens all the time in jazz tunes. So the next step is to trying to actually get some improvised lines in there. Something that's just kind of come out of you on the spot, and hopefully going through these chords will help you hear something that sounds pretty cool. 7